Hello, in this video I just want to talk through some of the questions that I get asked about editing the printer template just so that you can customize your build to the way you want it to look. The first thing that you just need to check is if you just click Help, About and Register, you can see here that this copy that I'm running of QSPro is an evaluation copy. Now, because it's an evaluation copy, if I load a bill, let's choose Baker's Villas, it's one of my favourites, press print. Now the other thing just to note is when you press print, the bill is printed to a template, and the template that it uses is shown in this box here. When you first start QSPro, this box may not point to the right directory, so let's just, this one does, but let's just check. So you need to use a template, a printer template, that by default is stored in your Documents directory, QSPro templates. And we ship, you can see, a number of different templates for different purposes. And excuse me, probably the most popular one is this box1.qst template. So if I just open that and print, let's get rid of the warning, and what you can see here is at the bottom of this bill it says QSPro for Windows evaluation copy, and it says that because we are running an evaluation copy. Okay, the first thing that we would need to do to fix this is to go Help, About, Register, and providing that we have that we're a valid user, then we can go to the QSPro website, and on the QSPro website we can click the register button, and we can enter in this registration information. Let's just see if we can do it that way. So the serial number is whatever it is, 60 etc, and the install number is 34 something or other. We'll give you a password, and you can put in your own email address, tonyb@cloud4.uk, and you press get registration number, and our system will send you a registration number. So I'm just going to pause the video whilst I enter in the details, and I'll be back straight away. So, providing you've entered in valid information, you'll get this message from our website, and then if you check your email account, which I've done here, you'll get an email from our system that says this is your registration number. So in this case, I'll just copy that registration number, and I'm just going to paste it into here. I'm going to press the register button, and I can send Tony OK. And it says registration successful. I'm now running a licensed copy of QSPro. So now if I go Help, About and press Register, you can see it says here this copy is registered to Tony. Good. And also now if I print the bill, print here, close the warning, and you can see that the evaluation message has now been removed. So the next things that we want to look at is sort of maybe some stuff down here that doesn't look quite the way I want it to. So let's go and investigate that. The way that we look at that is, if you remember, we're using what we've called here the box1 template, and that's what we need to edit. So I'm just going to close that, go File, Open, Printer Template, and we want the box1 template. Now, the box1 template, as in any template, it's fairly busy, and by that I mean there's lots of numbers, but it's quite simple really. Here we've got the text appearance. Text is in a bill we have varying levels of text. Typically we have 5 levels, and those different 5 levels determine what style the print is made. So for example, level 0 says here Times New Roman, font size 14, and it's bold. Let's just get out of that. So here's a little trick for you. If you want to know what level anything's at, we just print the on-screen layout, Then click the level box here, press OK, and this will now show us all the levels. You can see here groundwork is at level 0, you can see how it goes down different levels, and similarly not disposal but in situ concrete is at level 0. So when we print this, if you remember, it's Times Roman 14 bold, and that's why you've got groundwork. And in situ concrete, these are Times Roman 14 bold. Let's go back to our template. Box 1. Okay, moving on. These are the lines that you see in the bill, the vertical and horizontal lines to create the box. These are the column positions where each item is printed. And I just want to, I'm going to skip over some of this. Just want to skip over to this fixed text. And in the fixed text you can see that we just, by standard, just give you some standard text here. So let's just change your company to okay, if I've got an image of my company, which I haven't actually, but you can browse a JPEG image using this button here, and you can insert the image name here, and you can set its position using these numbers here. So basically, by a combination of all of these different numbers and sections, you can determine what the bill looks like in terms of where things are positioned and what fonts are used and so on. So what we'll do now, so I've just changed the fixed text to be bold in quantity surveyors, and if we just print this once more, print. So you can see there now, bold in quantity surveyors comes up in the fixed text area. Let's just cover a few other things. Checkboxes include section information. A section is determined by the whatever is the print 1 sort option. So if we close this, now this bill, if we go option sort, you can see this bill is sorted by primary code. So each level 0 in this bill is a section. So we start off with groundwork is a level 0, and then in situ concrete. So the reason what that does then is because we want include section information. Section information is this here, groundwork in this case. Go on to the next few pages, in situ concrete. That is the section. If we go back here, suppress collection headings just suppresses the headings on the collection page. Include prices and page totals are hopefully fairly straightforward. Collection summaries. I'll just cover this and then we'll terminate. Repeat headings to level. What QSPro tries to do is start each new page with a description and end each page on a measured item. So if you're in your bill you have a group of measured items but we can't get all of them on the one page, when we go to a new page we need to repeat some headings that are from the previous page, and this just is a determination how far back do you want to repeat the headings. A few other things here, hopefully they're fairly obvious, but if they're not, just get in touch. Thanks for watching.